Have you ever thought about what the future holds? Is it the pace of your biryani arriving or those little chips that control everything from your phone to your car? In India, an interesting trend is emerging, raising some serious questions about our priorities. We invest millions in apps that deliver food to our doors within minutes. And while convenience is everything, is it overshadowing the need for essential foundational innovations? Think about it. Shark Tank India, a platform showcasing the country's entrepreneurship spirit, often sees a surge in investments in businesses dealing with fast-growing food delivery sectors. In fact, one of the show's main leaders has hinted at this trend, focusing heavily on these apps, as opposed to ventures dealing with more complex, fundamental technologies. This raises the question, are we unintentionally signaling that building manufacturing capabilities in critical sectors like semiconductors is more valuable than a long and challenging journey to create them? Semiconductors are the backbone of the modern digital world. They power our smartphones, computers, cars, medical devices, almost everything. Without indigenous manufacturing capabilities in this sector, India remains heavily dependent on imports, making us vulnerable to global supply chain disruptions and geopolitical tensions. While immediate food delivery convenience is undeniable, neglecting the long-term strategic importance of a robust domestic semiconductor industry cannot be ignored. It's about national security, economic independence, and technological progress. Now, let's turn our gaze to our neighbor, China. Over the past few decades, China has made significant investments in its manufacturing skills, especially in high-tech sectors like semiconductors. They understood early on that controlling the creation of crucial components like semiconductors brings them significant benefits on a global scale. Their government has invested billions in research, development, and basic infrastructure in this sector to become a major player, while India is now taking steps to promote and support semiconductor manufacturing. The scale of investment and immediacy still seems lagging behind to compete at a global level. So, next time you enjoy the convenience of your food delivery, pause for a moment and think. Are we striking the right balance between immediate satisfaction and long-term strategic investments? Are we promoting the innovation that will truly empower India's future beyond the realm of immediate convenience? What are your thoughts? Do you think India is investing enough in foundational innovations like semiconductor manufacturing? Or is it appropriate to focus on consumer apps driven by market demand? Share your opinion in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more informative content. The outro music slowly fades out.